Hello, myself Hemangi Sonara. I am from the Rai University, Rai School of Engineering. Today I am presenting this introduction of software engineering. What is the software engineering? This is term made by the two words software and engineering. Software is more than just a program in which the program is executable code which serve the some computational purpose. What is a engineering? Engineering is on the other hand all about the developing products using the well-defined scientific principle and the methods. What is the software? Software is considered to be the collection of executable programming code, associated library, and documentation. Types of software. Software are mainly defined the three types when the system software, application software, and embedded software. What is the system software? System software oversees the core component of the computer system when they allow the hardware and other software work in the harmony. This software handle the file, manage the program executable and the system resource allocation. System software are the operating system, device and utility software. Application software. Application is designed to be perform the specific job like a writing, printing, studying, game, and user are mainly focused on that particular task. They have a productivity software, multimedia software, web browser. These are the application softwares. Embedded software. Embedded software run in the machine we did not think as a computer, and then you will define it a IoT gadgets. Embedded software are mainly a firmware, real-time operating system. These are the embedded software. Software development life cycle. What is a software development life cycle? That's a software development life cycle is the structure of framework used to software organization design, develop, testing a higher quality of the software. It defined the entire process of software production to be the initial idea to the final deployment step that are created that are developed the software development life cycle. Software development life cycle having 5 phases in which first phase is the planning, second analysis, third design, fourth implementation, fifth testing, sixth maintenance या फिर deployment. First phase is the planning. Planning in which the include the task like the cost benefit analysis, scheduling, resource estimation, and allocation. In which the any software having the collect collect the teamwork and they have to be the define their cost analysis, scheduling, and resource estimation. Second is a design. Design phase software engineer analysis require identify the base solution to create the software. And for example, it may be consider the integration pre-existing module and make the technology choose and identify the development. Next, implementation. Implementation phase have development team code to be the product. So they analysis the requirement and identify the system task can be do the daily achievement that the final result. Next step is the testing. Testing is development team is combine the automation and annual testing to check the software for the bug, and they have to quality analysis include the testing software error for checking with the customer requirement. Testing is depending on the customer requirement and their project have a work on daily basis. Deployment. Deployment when the team develop the software, they code the test on the different copy of the software. Then the one of that user have access to the software, access to software that customer used to call the production, while other copy of that is the build the environment, test the environment. Deployment is nothing but the test the environment, how your product and how your software can work. Importance of F- HD SDLC कि सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. इट्स अ efficiency, quality and cost and time management. That's point are importance for the SDLC. SDLC efficiency is depending on the reducing skill and bottleneck. Quality ensure the software made to be the exceed the user expect. Then the cost and time management help the team to stay with the bugs and the schedule. SDLC models mainly different approaches to manage the software development life cycle, having a concept to deployment. First, waterfall model in which the all steps are straightforward to starting initial phase to their deployment phase, in which they have to requirement, then design, implementation, testing and deployment stages are performed. Next, agile model in which focus on the iterative and the incremental development to facilitate the customer collaborate and rapid response to the changes. Next, spiral model combine the iterative development with the risk management, in which they have to define the risk analysis, planning and then evaluation. That steps are include. V model extension of the waterfall model and empathize the verification and validation, linking each of them developing development stages with the corresponding testing stage. Last is incremental model. Incremental model is a delivers software and the function increasing and adding the feature in any software and making it useful for the large project. Thank you.